Hello fellow trans lovies, I'm your girl Lady, bringing you the hottest news. If you're new in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also leave a comment below. It is sad news, guys, for the couple Umona Skejana, who's married to Kulu Skejana. They had to witness their house burning down, guys. This is really sad. She took it to Instagram. That's on the 20th of this month, the day before yesterday. They watched their house burning down, but they actually managed to go out. They were safe, but their house was burnt down. And this is a very sad news, guys. It's not a very good year for her. As we know, last year she lost a baby, and this is very sad, guys, for her. But please do pray for Mona Skejana and Kulu Skejana. Thank you guys for watching this video. I am out till next time. Love you.